Hello everybody, I'm Gabi and this is Gabi Tech. In today's video I'm gonna choose myself a new iPhone case. I recently updated my phone with iPhone 12 Pro white. Actually that's the silver edition they call it. It's super beautiful and it's time to pimp out my iPhone 12 Pro with a bunch of branded cases that a company sent to me. And today we're gonna choose the top cases for male and female iPhones. Let's say if you're male, your iPhone is male. If you're female, your iPhone is female. No, iPhone 12 Pro. Of course, these cases are available for iPhone 12 Pro Max and iPhone 12 as well. That's an iPhone 12 mini also. But the models I have are for my phone, and I'll demonstrate you all of them. They're all branded: Guess, Karl Lagerfeld, U.S Polo Assn, and so on. Cool classic cases to make your luxurious iPhone look even more luxurious. So let's see what do we have here in my bag. Our first case is from Guess, the marble design. I love that conception, especially when my iPhone is white, and this white marble will look even more cool. Don't worry, at the end of this video I'll put a small video how I try all of them at once, but come on, this looks actually beautiful, classy. The case is sturdy, it's silicone, but it's with slim profile. Even if your phone falls, the case protects. It doesn't make it more heavy than it is because there are some cases that have extra stuff that makes the phone even more heavier. So this option is perfect for girls who want their phone to look classy, to be branded, and to be protected at the same time. I really like the marble suggestion from Guess. Our second suggestion, it gives me the unisex vibes because it's not only female, it's not a conservatively female design. Again from Guess, it's leather and silicone with the Guess logo. This is typical classic design, but it doesn't actually fit super good on my white iPhone. Maybe if your iPhone is more dark color, yes, but it's still sturdy and nice, and I like the leather profile here. All of them are beautiful because they're quality. This is quality. You give a little bit more money for a case, like 30 euro, but at the same time you receive nice quality. Our next model is from Karl Lagerfeld. Nice liquid glitter case. Liquid glitter cases are famous these days because who doesn't like liquid glitter? It's so addictive just to shake it around. The iconic Karl Lagerfeld emoji with his cat. He was living with his cat. One of the biggest fashion designers of all time. I like the case, but it makes the phone a little bit heavy. Overall, the look is super cool, and it's addictive to watch the glitter swim inside the liquid. It's actually addictive, and it makes me calm, which is, I don't know if it's normal or not. It's a beautiful suggestion from Karl Lagerfeld. I would recommend it. It looks sturdy though, but obviously because of the liquid and the extra elements, it makes your phone a little bit more heavier. And if you don't want your phone to feel heavier, because iPhone 12 Pro is already kind of heavy, you shouldn't choose this one. But for the look, totally yes. Our next one is again from Karl Lagerfeld. This time we have again liquid glitter case, but with some extra assets. This is the mirror surface. We have the Karl logo, the liquid glitter inside, and the mirror surface on the back to make it look even more screamy. For a girly girl, this case is perfect. One thing about the branded cases, especially Karl's one, is it's more harder to put them on your phone since the structure of the case is not exactly soft because it's not just silicone. You need to push it a little bit more. Don't get scared that your phone can break. It can't. Trust me, it can't. Again, the same structure like the previous one. It makes your phone a little bit heavier, but the look is screaming, girl, you are rich, because It has glitter, it has mirror surface, and it just looks very classy and very screamy for me. At least for me it's creamy, even though my GPU surface is also chroma mirrored. Doesn't matter. And one thing that I find uncomfortable is that you need to press a little bit harder in order to reach your side buttons from this case, since it doesn't smoothly cover them, no matter how much you press. But it's Karl. Here we go with something more practical, and this is Nilkin Cam Shield Pro case. Something for the males in my opinion, because I wouldn't choose completely black case for my phone. From Nilkin. The specialty about this case is the small cam shield here that covers your camera when you leave your phone on the table. This is practical and good for the security of your phone. That way your camera won't break. That even though the iPhone is with a very nice camera, especially when it stays inside the case, it doesn't pop up. You know, like the new Xiaomi phone 11 Pro, that the camera block is so bulky. Here you just cover it and you're safe. Standard classic design, silicone case, little bit lines here to make it look, I don't know, more not boring, because completely black, like one color cases are just boring for me. Here we're talking big, and this is my favorite for a male. If you're a male with an iPhone 12 Pro, BMW real leather case. It smells like real leather. It's actually real leather. With the BMW emblem here. Leather, beautiful case. I think if you're a girl and you want to surprise your boyfriend with some cool gift, this BMW case is something that you should go for, because I don't know, as far as I know, all of the boys like BMW and Mercedes. So a case that is fully leather BMW with an emblem, it's a win-win. Now it just reminds me how I had a couple of BMW wallets and I sold them like hotcakes because everybody wanted BMW wallet. Another branded case, U.S Polo Assn silicone case. Basic conception, black silicone case with little bit red and white and velvety surface from the inside. The one thing that I like about this case, your phone feels very light. It doesn't have extra weight like Karl and Guess that puts on your phone. And it's nice and soft to touch. The silicone is good quality. It's branded after all. It's a nice suggestion. I would like to hear from you in the comment section which one of the following cases you would choose for your phone. And the last but the first for me, and actually the one that it's my favorite, and I think the one that I would choose for my iPhone, is a liquid glitter case by Guess with rose pink glitter and rose pink Guess logo. It's a soft silicone with this hard part with the liquid glitter that is rose pink, only one colored, and this rectangular Guess rose pink logo pattern. But the reason that I like this one, it feels more lighter than Karl Lagerfeld, the one that I showed you with the glitter inside. And the glitter, this may sound stupid, but the glitter falls very fast. And when it falls here, it just stays on one level, and here you just see the white foam. While on Karl Lagerfeld, when you shake the glitter around the case, it stays everywhere. It doesn't simply move that fast like this one here. Here, the moment you turn it, it reminds me of hourglass, because the moment you turn it, fastly goes down, all of it. While in Karl Lagerfeld cases, it's not that fast and not that fascinating like this one. This one I can watch for hours how the glitter just spreads around and then it stays on one place. And it has small stars inside. It's not just basic glitter. It's a rectangular star pattern. Nice. And look now. Now I turn it again. Guess just won my heart. Guess what? Guess won. Guess who won? Guess won. I tried to be funny. But what do you think about my choice of iPhone 12 Pro case? Would you choose liquid glitter or something more classic? I'm looking forward to hear from you in the comment section. So be fast and tell me which of these you would choose for yourself or for a gift for a friend. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you found it useful to see how each one of these cases looks on your iPhone. And if you want to buy them, I'm sure you can find them in whichever country you are. Thank you very much for watching. Be sure to like, give the thumbs up, big thumbs up for this video, because it's hard to collect 8 of the most famous branded iPhone cases and make video about. That's why like and subscribe. Thank you.